Okay, we're over on Mackay Skyway. This trail is never ran this way, but we're going to try out today on the e-bike. It's a turbo day. It's a little cold. Well, it's not too bad actually, but it just kind of rained the last couple of days. A little bit of snow, but it's all melted. So I thought maybe it'd be nice to try this in reverse. This is not a downhill only trail. It just happens to be that way. We won't obviously go that way where it does say. People hike it in this direction. So far, so good. A little off trail here. We're gonna follow more of the hiking trail today. We are sliding on the roots a little bit, but you gotta manage your weight. Oh, pedal strike. Let's see what different. Let's see what's possible. I don't have it in me today. That's definitely possible, just second gear, third gear probably be better. Break time. Okay, just stop for a little break. A little energy snack. Yeah, coming up, this was pretty fun. This is where, you know, e-bikes are fun. I should do more of these e-bike turbo days. I do tend to keep it in turbo fair amount. Keep it in trail fair amount. And my trail is actually detuned a little bit. I only am using about 80% of the motor with about, I think it's 40% assistance. So, I don't know, I do that a little bit for fitness, but I also like being able to push on the pedals and have a little resistance. I find it helps. But on a trail like this, this is actually nice to have the turbo on. And from here on down, it's all pretty much downhill. So it should be pretty good. I'm going to actually loosen up. I changed out my coil here. So this is maybe a 570, 572 or something like that coil. And I was running a 550, which is, I've actually lost a bunch of weight. But I don't know, I thought I wanted it a little more firmer, but it's a little too firm. So we're just going to loosen up my low compression a little bit, maybe 2 clicks, and see what that feels like on the way down here. Everything looks good. Well, the other thing I'm testing today is I got the OneUp pump down below here. So it is touching the frame a little bit. And yeah, let's get going. Oh, we're also testing on a GoPro. I knew I would test on something, so finally bought the GoPro 12. We're running a little bit of the GoPro Lab stuff. I'm not going to mess around with log yet, but we've bumped up the bit rate to, I think, 190. I also have it using the full color width. So it's 10-bit, but it's also using full color width. So it should be interesting to see what it's like. I probably won't get the huge benefits of that until I start going log, but I wanted to work on getting you know, non-grainy footage before I start going to log. I find when you go to log, it's even harder to do that. So I'm going to play around and see what the ISOs are at. Wait, most people don't care about that, but anyway, here we go. Ooh. That change in the shock's already working out. Hit the pedal. Just got a message that my new dropper just showed up. Dropper for the fat bike. So go to the AXS. Yeah, this trail doesn't flow well going down. Probably come back in a week or two and try this again. So stop and see what type of time I can sit on an e-bike ride in turbo. Obviously not counted on Strava as a normal ride. That was fun.